Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Google Chrome error that says that your clock is ahead and a connection cannot be established because your computer's date and time is incorrect. So in order to fix this, close out of here. Check and see if your date and time settings are correct in the system tray down here in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If not, go ahead and right click on them and select adjust date and time. You might need to set time automatically if it's turned off, so go ahead and just change that to automatic, and that might be able to fix the problem. Make sure your time zone's correct as well down here, and if you need to sync now, select that, and that should sync up your time as well. Close out of here, and then if you attempt to relaunch your Google Chrome web browser, the error message should no longer be present. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.